Hey you guys, it's Lynnea. I have an easy, clean, and simple card to share with you today using some Simon Hurley Create products. I'm going to be working on his stark white cardstock, and I'll be using the Snazzy Snowman Stamp Set. I have the Posh Point Setta stamp set there as well, and I thought I would use a stamp or a sentiment from that stamp set. But as I looked at the Snazzy Snowman stamp set, I liked one of the little sentiments in this one a little bit better, and I thought that it would be more fitting. So I'm going to line this sentiment up in the top center of my cardstock, and I'll stamp this in black. This card is not going to use a lot of supplies, and it's easy to mass produce this design for your Christmas cards. It took me no time at all to make this little card. So after I have this sentiment stamped, I'm going to grab this little melty snowman image, and I'm going to stamp that in some Copic Safe ink. And I'm going to end up stamping this a total of 5 times all over my card background. Now I thought that it was cool that that little kind of melted pile of snowman is separate stamp from the face. So you could definitely stamp just the face in the middle of your card and have a big, huge snowman card. But I wanted to pair them together and use them as they are pictured on the stamp set because I thought they were just so cute together. I'm only going to be using 4 Copic markers. I have BG10, C0, YR07, and YR04. So really super easy coloring, and you can use whichever markers you like best for the color combinations. I'm going to be coloring the carrot nose orange. I'll be coloring the snowman white, and that BG10 marker I'm actually only using just to give a cool shadow to the outside of each of these little snowman puddles. So when I color, I like to just add a little bit of my darkest color and then blend it out with the light. This is an easy way for me to color, but you could definitely build up more color and more dimension by doing your light color, then your dark, and then going back to your light. So now it's time to bring in some color for the actual snowman itself. Now even whites have shadows so that they can create some depth and dimension. So I use a C0 marker. It's one of my lightest cool gray markers. And I'm just tracing around the inside portion of each of these little melted snowmen around their eyes. And then I'm going to give some more depth to the little coal smile faces. And I'll just go around each of those little pieces of coal with my C0 marker as well. This next step is totally optional, but I think it adds a lot of dimension and it kind of makes the whole card just look chilly. I'm taking that BG10 marker and tracing around the outside of the snowmen. This is a little trick that I do whenever I'm doing a winter scene or a snowy scene. I just think that it brings a lot of attention to those little snowmen, and it's a really cute finishing touch. That's the whole card. Super easy, very simple, and very easy to mass produce for your holiday cards this season. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick and easy 1-layer card. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye! Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.